If you live in nature, you need to adapt. I have been traveling all around the globe, and I learned many skills from the natives. Skin's your first protection from the outside. I'm Serdar Kiliç, the nature man. I spent most of my life in nature. I am the collector, I'm the messenger. I'm learning from my experiences and from people's experiences. I carry it to the people. We are using a lot of energy in this century. There will not be enough for this generation. In the city, we live apart from the nature. You are gonna see, after living a day in the nature, you are changing. You need food, water, air, and shelter, nothing else. I started carrying less equipment because knowledge and the experience is much more important. If you walk and listen and experience all senses in nature, if you touch it, if you live like animals, they teach you what they know. You are the part of nature. You are a part of it, a big family. Your skin's all the time outside, your hands and face and necks. So you have to protect your skin, and you are in the nature especially. I cannot tell you everything, but I love this planet. This is like paradise. My aim is to make a good reconnection with the nature, with the people. Their connection with nature is our future.